Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of the Sudio Bluetooth headphones, Regent, and these are all white, and this is the box here as you can see, and some information on the back. The Sudio Regent wireless headphones, compatible with all Bluetooth devices, padded with adjustable headband, studio quality sound, and 24-hour battery life. You have optical interchangeable caps, collapsible design, and 3-button remote mic. That's pretty much it there, so we'll get straight into it. And just slides out like so, and that's then presented to you as you see them there. So we'll see what else we get inside. So we get an owner's manual here, and we get a quick start guide, and this will tell us what the buttons do, and we have Siri as well, which is pretty cool. We get a guarantee certificate card, and how to remove cap. And in here we have our cables for charging up. Standard micro USB, and our auxiliary cable 3.5 to 3.5. Nice white colour with the name on it there, if it'll focus. And it has the Sudio branding on it there. So that's pretty much it there. So onto the headphones themselves. We will pop them out here, which are just headed in like so, and we'll remove them, and there they are there. Nice simple construction. We've padding here underneath the headband, and on top it's all leather, pretty nice and soft, and they look pretty neat indeed as well. And we've got metal bands here which are adjustable, as you can see, both sides. Nothing clicky in there, pretty straightforward movement. So we've got our 3.5mm port here, and micro USB for charging here, and of course there's a mic there, and our 3 keys here, and we'll have a notification light there. Let's see if we can turn them on. And there we have our Bluetooth light to let us know our connectivity status. So that's pretty much it. Cups are well padded, really nice indeed, nice and soft. You can see right in there, and we have plenty of movement, and they are foldable as well, so we can fold them up, be it like that or whatever the case may be. These can move around many ways. So there's a nice band here as well, holding everything in place. You can see the joints there, and once again we can see the Sudio logo there, left and right. So the only minor concern off the bat is this cable here, which is a bit free to move where it likes, but if you keep control you should be fine. And they look pretty nice indeed, and feel very premium too. So you also get these changeable caps. As As you can see, these will go over or replace the existing setup that's there. These have a nice marble touch to them. And this is how they will work. So these will go over, you can remove these ones here and place these on if they'll suit you better. With a nice marble look to them. Look pretty nice indeed. And here it just tells us how to remove the existing cap. So if we're there, it says you can just push and turn. And there we have it there. Try and pop that out. So you need to turn it a little bit more. And there we go. So you'll just pop in your fresh one there. And you can see the lines here of where the grooves are. So you'll be able just to pop them back in. Twist and turn. But it's not happening at the minute. You don't want to break them. But we'll try once more. And there we go. Pretty simple indeed. So that's it for now. So we're going to test them out, see what they sound like. And if you have any questions, get me at techplusireland.com. And we'll talk to you in the next one. And thanks for watching. And thanks for Sudio for sending these over. And check out our 15% discount on site. We'll drop a link below. And we'll talk to you soon.